Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Dream of Crafts. Today I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on my latest mini album and I'm calling it Falling in Love. This is a gift, and as you can see on the cover here, I have used all authentic decorative cardstock, and the album measures 10.5 inches high by 9 3/8 wide, and I have a 2.5 inch spine. I used Prima flowers, 1 pack of flowers, and they were the black and white. And then these were from the, they're not stickers, but I'm going to call it a sticker sheet from the thing there. And then I just put one of the little hearts there. The back is just kind of plain, and I just have one of the stickers there, and the spine doesn't have anything on it. Okay, so let me zoom out here so you can get a better look. And I open things up. Here we go. So this is just a double magnetic closure here, and it opens like so. There are 4 pages, and this opens up to the left here. You got a nice big piece of real estate here for your photos, or if she wants to add a big journaling page there. And then there's a pocket here, which I can feel glued down a little bit. There we go. Pocket there for tags or anything. I didn't do a lot of pockets because I don't know how much things she would want to stick in the pockets. So I'm not going to put no tags or anything in there. That's just for if they have tickets or menus or something that they like together, or something special they do, they can stick that memorabilia in the pockets. And here with our first page, this opens to the left, and we have a tag I've created here, and at the top I wrote Our Story and included some journaling lines for them to write in there. And then when you open it up, it says Our Favorite Things, also with some journaling lines to make it easy for her or him when they write in there. We've got another big page here. Now you can easily get a couple of pictures here. So I wanted to, I thought I left that one up, but I didn't. I wanted to leave plenty of room for photos. I don't know how many photos they have, but I wanted to leave plenty of room. So you can get 2 nice size pictures. I tried to make it so most of the time that they didn't have to cut anything down. And then this posts up to the right. We have a sticker that says Sing Your Song. And then these can move here. They are movable. They're held on with brads that are glued on underneath there. And then this flips down like so. This flips up. These do hold a full photo nicely without being trimmed down. And again, here you can get 2 nice photos this way, or you get them this way, side by side, and have plenty of room for journaling. And here again too, you can 5x7s if she wants. All the tags are double-sided, and I used part of the stickers for this. And I did have to trim these down because it did stick out too far. So you'll see in tutorial number 4 where they stuck out a little bit. So I just trimmed down the edge a little bit. The backs are all the same and the fronts are just different. So that is the tags. There's 4 of them, 1 in each pocket there. Okay. On our next page here, this opens up. And again, these hold a photo exact. This one is popped up there. So you can get a photo right in there nicely like that without having to trim it down. And then here it says, Love You So Much, sticker. And then I couldn't love without you. I cut this down and I explained that in the video. I did use the Martha Stewart heart punch on some of the edges, and that was this one. She don't have names on her punches. It was just a small heart. And again, here you got a large area. You could easily get an 8x10 on this pieces here. Our next page here, this flips down for a large area, and then this flips up and it flips open again, so you have a nice big area there. We've got the flips here that will hold a photo exact, and another nice big area there. So she is going to have plenty of room, I hope. Okay. And then on the next two pages, our center pages, they're mirror imaged, and I left the magnets like this because I did use just my decorative cardstock, but the picture's going to cover that, and I'm not worried about that way. I don't have a bunch of bulk trying to interfere with my magnet to hold those down, but they are both the same. So you got lots of photo opportunities there. And then on our back of our third page here, this flips up. And again, I did a lot of patchworking with some of my scraps. And then we've got two more of the little flips here that are just decorated with regular cream cardstock, and then I enhance them by adding some of the stickers. And the last one is our largest page here. So this opens up like this, and then you have the doors that are magnetized, and here again is patchwork. Let's close, and then this opens to the right, and then to the left you have two more that open like this, and you got a nice full page here. So lots of generous space again in there. Let's see, this one looks like that. And I'm going to turn this page here, and this opens like so, and this opens, and these open again. So nice area. These are only glued down in the corners here, so she can get underneath there. So there's that. And then again on the back we have an additional pocket here for her memorabilia or what they want to put in their extra pictures or whatever. So that is that. It's a nice size album, and it can be done in any design you like. I hope you give it a try. A thumbs up is always appreciated, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I appreciate it if you would do so at this time. There's a subscribe logo down in the bottom right hand corner. If you click on that, a bell will pop up, and you can choose to be notified each time I put up a new video. There'll be 4 tutorials for this. The last number 3 and 4 are only about a half hour each, just a little bit longer than a half hour each. So as always, until the next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.